Hello, my name is Akib Hassan. Welcome to our CA1 project, and that is based on cloud security and its architecture. So basically, our objective is to secure the cloud asset, and including the infrastructure and the application deployed on the WordPress. So my group name is Nimbus. So we're gonna deploy a website on AWS EC2, and we're going to use Tree3 Micro, and these are the key objectives. And we are going to install LAMP stack and WordPress hardening, more security, compliance with CIA triad, and business continuity planning. The next, AWS EC2 is the backbone, and we're going to run Amazon Linux 23. And we're gonna use Apache servers, the site MySQL as a database, and PHP. Only two ports are open, 22 SSH and 443 HTTPS. We used WordPress security plugins like WordFence, two-factor authentication, bulletproof security, and WPS hide login. For monitoring, we use Datadog and CloudWatch, and for web application testing, we used Nikto and WPS scan, um, JDP for vulnerability scanning. For sustainability alignment, the project supports three SDGs. The one is quality education, open source tools. We leverage open source tools like Linux, WordPress, and Apache, and software that's freely available to anyone, anywhere. The next one is industry innovation. Industry innovation is like AWS cloud infrastructure. We embraced scalable, energy-efficient technology. Cloud computing reduces the needs for physical hardware. The last one is sustainable cities. AWS commits to powering its data centers with 100% renewable energy by 2025, and hosting our project on AWS means our website runs on clean energy and indirectly supporting greener cities. Now I'm going to move to my appendix where we can see how I worked on the project. Here we launched AWS and try to create an instance and put the name Nimbus as our group name, and select the Amazon Linux. So the instance type is T3 Micro, and we created new key pair and create a security group, and select allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. After that, instance created, and its name is Nimbus. And for a stable IP address, we created an elastic IP address and allocated it successfully. Here it's showing the elastic IP address. So in order to connect the instance to our Linux, we used SSH clients, and we open the terminal PowerShell and use that code SSH client, and it's already connected. Now we have to install LAMP stack following this link. I use this AWS link to install my lamp stick. So here is some DNF upgrade, like upgrade all the packages and including the system release. And this code is for start and enable the Apache HTTP server service. Here after I put my IP and PHP info. We got the PHP version here and the PHP is installed. And after that we install WordPress and config the WordPress here. And this is the WordPress dashboard. We install phpMyAdmin and enter into the dashboard, and we see there is no WordPress information over there. So we had to change the salt value, and we took the salt value from this link, the WordPress secret key salt, and we replace it in the config file. After that I got my WordPress all the files, and WordPress got connected with the database. And now I purchased a domain and its name is nimbus.me, and I turn off the protection. And after that I add some host records like a record and cname records, and change the records to redirect the elastic IP to domain name. Now it's connected with my domain name, my website. After that, I purchased SSL certificate, and I use Cloudflare for it, and I downloaded the origin certificates, and it got automatically connected with the Cloudflare. And after that I checked SSL checker and it was all fine, and it didn't detect any issue in SSL. So after that I took a snapshot of the initial stage for safety purpose, and we set up Datadog for monitoring with our website, and we can see CPU uses, processes, memory uses, and many other things here. After that, this one is a host map infrastructure, and we use CloudWatch to and set up to CPU utilization and line metrics for my website. And I created a CPU utilization alarm, so that if the CPU utilization is more than 75, it will alert me. So after that I searched for WordPress security plugins list, and and I put all the security plugins here, and here I put two-factor authentication, and here I tried the WPS hide login to hide my admin page. I installs ZAP JData proxy, and this tool is for testing if the website has any vulnerabilities, and Nikto scan Nimbus on my website and detect security misconfiguration to allow admins to remediate vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them. And we use UP scan for auditing WordPress security. And for all, that's it from my end, and thank you so much.